Turtle Ridge here. Um, Working on the cargo container barn thing. I got excavator rented and I got them put up here. My tractor was too short and it was a little bit over the capacity. So I rented an excavator for one day. They're laying down right now. But 4 trusses, about 24 inches of fall over a 36-foot area. So we should be good. I think they worked out to about, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I can't remember what my measurements were. But I think they're right about 11 foot apart or so. Something like that. And like 3 or 4 feet on the ends, overhang. Yeah, worked out pretty good. Really good view up here. Hopefully I get done by New Year's so we can burn the bonfire from the loggers.